Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video is about how to fix the computer unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error. Windows installation cannot proceed in Windows 11 and 10. Press Shift plus F10 keys on your keyboard. If didn't working, try Shift plus Fn plus F10 keys. Then type regedit and press enter. Now follow this path. First click to ℕ local machine. Then click to System. Setup. Status. Then click to Child Completion. Double-click to setup.exe. Now change any value you find to 3 and click OK. Then click OK on message error. If you found this video helpful, please like to encourage us and subscribe to our channel. Leave comment and share it with others so they can benefit too.